EcoSmart ECO 27 Tankless Electric Water Heater Review. Introducing the EcoSmart ECO 27 Tankless Electric Water Heater, a powerful and efficient solution for endless hot water in your home or business. Performance and capacity. Configured for climates where incoming water temperatures can be as low as 37 degrees, this unit is capable of heating nearly 3 gallons per minute. Depending on inlet water temperature, it can deliver between 2.7 and 6.5 GPM, making it ideal for larger homes in warm climates or small whole-home applications in colder regions. Technology and control. The ECO 27 features digital temperature control with settings adjustable in 1-degree increments, giving you precise control over your hot water. Powered at 240 volts, single-phase, it uses EcoSmart's patented self-modulating technology, ensuring energy efficiency by adjusting power based on demand. Efficiency and savings. Every EcoSmart tankless water heater delivers endless hot water while saving space, time, and money. By reducing overall energy and water use, this system helps lower utility bills while maintaining consistent performance. Versatility and applications. This unit is designed for a wide range of applications, homes of any size, offices, restaurants, and even recreational vehicles. Compact and easy to install, it's a dependable choice for anyone seeking on-demand hot water without bulky tanks. Certifications and warranty. The ECO 27 is ETL listed and certified by the Water Quality Association NSF/ANSI 372 for lead-free compliance. It also comes with warranty support, and when purchased through Amazon, you're covered by their voluntary 30-day return guarantee. The EcoSmart ECO 27 Tankless Electric Water Heater combines advanced technology, efficiency, and versatility, making it a smart investment for reliable hot water. For more details and current pricing, check the product link in the description and pinned comment. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more professional product reviews.